Good evening, everyone. Welcome again, another new video today about the scam in cryptocurrencies. I hope you can understand my message. Also, if you speak good English, you can, I don't know, you can retranslate it or you can refix it. You can say it with your way, with your professional language. So, as you may know, there is a lot of people thinking that they can make money only by buying a token or buying a coin with $1 and selling it all the way to 10,000 or $10 or 5,000. Depends on the people and then their grades. So this kind of games or this kind of investments, okay, it's a fishing hook for me to absorb your money. So simple. Okay, so I'm going to give you proofs. I'm sharing proofs with you. I'm sharing the chart. The chart never lies. And you will see and you will judge by yourself that there is only Bitcoin in cryptocurrencies and others are scams. Okay, we can add some more like Ethereum, maybe. But trust me, there is only Bitcoin in cryptocurrencies. And I'm not talking about pumps. And I'm not talking about trends. I'm not talking about Yfii. I'm not talking about anything. I'm talking about a rights decision, money protection, okay? The risk reward. I'm talking about how you can invest your money and you will be safe. How you can invest your money and sleep within the night without getting insomnia, without getting problems by the proofs, science proof. It's a scientific one. Only Bitcoin. There is in cryptocurrency, only Bitcoin. Other cryptocurrencies, it's an absolute scam. It's a legal scam. Okay, it's a legal scam. Also, 90% or 99% of the goal of cryptocurrency is to be decentralized. Can you give me one decentralized cryptocurrency or one coin? Never. It's centralized. It's done by a team. It's done by some people. It's done by investors. It's done by exchanges. So where is here? Where is decentralization? Decentralization is not only in blockchain. It is only in how you protect the value of your cryptocurrency. So Bitcoin does. Okay, Bitcoin does. Bitcoin is the only decentralized cryptocurrency. And also I have proofs that even Bitcoin is done by the famous man who called Yfii. Another video will give you the proofs and you will judge for yourself. So this is another topic. Let's focus about this topic. We have Yfii here, as you may see. Okay, so this is the first candle. This is the Genesis candle. This is the Genesis candle. From $52 all the way to $200, almost. Digitally, when the price arrived, for example, to 195, 94, 95, 96, 98, 99, starting from the 190, this is called a 200 resistance. So you may notice that the price, when it arrives to these correct numbers, it falls automatically. Why? Because there is a lot of, let's say, algorithms who knows that people, by their mind, they want to buy a cryptocurrency for $5 and sell it for 10. No one asks to buy, let's say, for example, a coin with 1.365599 and sell it to 5.46. No, there is correct number. The brain, the human brain, are programmed with this kind of, ideas. So the algorithms knows exactly that you are setting your targets up to $200. So when we are going to short it all the way and push it all the way down to, as you may see, the chart talk itself. Okay, 65%. One day you lost 65%. Why? Simply because no one is interested to buy. okay, this coin with this price. Not even no one is interested, but it is not the correct value. Okay, so we will post this coin with a let's say with a value we want, and we will give some percentage or commission to the exchange called OKEX. I'm not talking about OKEX. Every exchange, this is the main goal. And trust me, in cryptocurrencies, the big people who are making money, or the big interest, goes to the first exchangers, market makers, and sometimes exchangers are market makers, especially if, for example, they are officially launching this cryptocurrency, like Binance, for example, and Seller, and the Harmony, etc. And there is the first, it's the exchangers. The second, the token programmers. Okay, the token programmers, which programs fail called a zero code. Okay, it's a zero codes. It costs nothing, and we sell it in the exchanges. We have a community. We will sell this shit for them. Okay, and then what happened next? People are buying, and then we start to dump. So the big let's call the people who are making money on this. I don't know the word in English, but the people who are in benefits. Okay, in benefits. The exchanges, number one. The second is the token programming. Okay, and we can add some influencers, people with YouTube channels, Twitter channels, all the day, publish marketing and advertisements. Companies are giving millions because you guys follow these people. Okay, so the retail traders or the retail investors, 90% are losing their money. Okay, they are losing their monies simply because you and I and other people are looking to buy at the lows and sell at the highs. This is what the retail traders are doing. And trust me, you can use technical analysis in every degree. Okay, there is only one secret control this domain. Okay, is the numbers, nothing else. I'm sharing this experience with the 13 years, okay, experience. I'm sharing it with you for free. Trading financial markets like Forex, Saudi Arabian stocks, cryptocurrencies, and also the American stocks. We saw something very strange, and we know how the algorithms works. So I'm not here to talk about myself. That's what happens. From $200, the price starts to dump all the way to the $60. And then another candle start to push, okay? And when you see a wick, this is called the candle wick. If you see a wick, you have to set this automatically, okay? This is the closure, and this is the high. All this, let's say the 9, or I think this is this space, let's call the space, neon in French. All this space, okay, scientifically in financial market is a resistance. It's a resistance. So a big resistance from the 66 all the way to the 200, it's a resistance. The market maker choose, okay, they choose when they dump the market. Okay, it's not technical analysis. It's controlled by, it's absolute manipulation by them. Okay, so if we break the high here, it will be a good opportunity to buy. We buy by breakouts and we buy by the lows. Okay, this is the market conditions that makes us buy any market. Okay, so from their desires, they start to dump, creating another big failure candle, capitulation candle from $91, and then the market starts to dump. Exactly, no doubts with this, okay, no doubts. So guess what? The price starts to fall. And by the way, if you want to understand how to get the next support, it's simply by making this kind of rules. Okay. Okay, moment. Let me adjust the 5 circles. Okay, this is the 5 circles. Okay, you get it here. This is 5 circles. Okay, and this is the 5 retracements. Use the 5 circles, and then you can use the 1.61 as a support, then the 2.61. Okay, and the second is the 3.61. Okay, so next is the 4.23, and then the $5. And you may see that this the Yfii also have some other high levels. Maybe the price can achieve it and maybe not. I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't know where the market is going, and no one does. Okay, so this is all the support we have, and this is the all levels we have. And trust me, if you practice this kind of technical analysis, you don't need any other thing like Elliott wave or mini indicators. I use moving average, and I rely on moving average. It's one of the strongest indicator I have seen in my life. So as you may check, okay, these levels here still works and still does practice, or let's say play the role of supports and resistance. Today, you can see that there is another new capitulation from this level, okay? And here we go. Maybe the price can go all the way to the $10. I'm not making this video to tell you or to show you buy at this level or not. You're free. If you want to buy here, you're free, okay? You are absolutely free. This is scientific levels, and by the 5 circles only, you can predict anything, okay? But this is not the message. The message, guys, is we must as a crypto communists or communities, or one of the members of the crypto community, to prevent giving our monies and educating people that this is a scam. This is an absolute scam, okay? Look, from $200 all the way to $16, this is a shame, okay? From the top all the way to the bottom, 91%. If I want to make my money back, I need how much? I need almost 1,000%, which is impossible. At least for the meanwhile, this is impossible. It is impossible. So people who bought the coin from this level here without a protection, without a stop loss, even it is a big mistake to buy at the Genesis candle, okay? They have problems now. Pray for them to recover, okay? Or at least you can get another balance or another capital, and you can start accumulating from this level here, for example, and trust me, prevent these coins or prevent these tokens. Another token. This is the Yearn Finance link. This is the Yearn Finance link. This is a shame. This is like selling drugs in the same police station. Okay, for me, letting this kind of cryptocurrencies sold by these prices, it's like selling drugs in the police office. It is like a judge convince you to buy cocaine from him. It's a big shame. Really, really, it's something disappointing. From $14,000, okay, all the way to $500. So this is why I'm in my Twitter, I said this kind of cryptocurrencies, it is not for investments. It's for scalping. Okay, you can scalp anytime. It's just protect your money with stop loss. Don't talk to me about investment and you say, okay, a cryptocurrency were 14,000, now it's 500. It have no value. If it does, it will not fall all the way from this level here. And please don't compare this kind of shit coins with the Bitcoin, especially. Okay, don't compare. This is if you does that, you have to revise your lessons. So please, guys, this is a scam. This is a legal scam. We must fight exchangers, and we must be rebels against them. We should be our banks. We should take liquidity from them. Or at least we should make a laws or force them to follow our laws by protecting our investors. We should protect our investors from this scam. Okay, we should. And the biggest hit we can send to them is simply by being our money and being our bank and only buy Bitcoin. This is the only way we have to deal with. No other solution with them. Millions of dollars. The exchanger now, they have the ability to let the price be high or be low. So that's why in Bitcoin is a big rebel. Okay, Bitcoin, as you may see, each time the price falls, they accumulate from you. Each time the price falls, they accumulate it from you. They buy it from you by a little and little. Today, with 0.65%. Tomorrow, 0.5%. Next, 2%, then 2%, then 1%. They accumulate more than 10% from one single dump, and then you are waiting them to sell it to you at the high. And I dare you to find one wave, one down wave without another copycat, but in the opposite direction. Okay, let me prove to you. At 2017, okay, when people start to talk about Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin, the media, and you may know, 2017, it was the end of the pumpy wave. Okay, the end of this pumpy wave. Many people think, oh, 2017 was, oh, 2017 was, 2017 is the end of the pump because Bitcoin was running high moves starting from 2009. Okay, so where are you at? 2012, 2013, 2014. Okay, so 2017, it is not actually the big pump, but simply the end of the pump, which starts from 2009. People are buying Bitcoin and they steal. So here is the end of this wave. Okay, this is the end of the wave. And there is inside waves, by the way. This wave starts from 19 and 19,000, and then it goes back to what? To where? 14,000. So thank you very much. Now, what next? Another new wave done at the 3,500. So if you're smart enough, you will understand, okay, that's almost when we comes to end the wave or we start to another wave, we dump it and then we buy the lows. Okay, so here and here and here. Okay, here and here. Also, this is here and here. Now another second wave, which is starts from almost $4,000, and then I don't know where it's gonna end. Maybe we start to end starting from this week, and maybe not. Okay, and we have another lever here at the 19,000. So the secret is each time a dump wave appears, there is the opposite will appear, or the opposite will comes to show. So if you see a dumpy wave, okay, at the red markets, at the blood, buy Bitcoin, accumulate Bitcoin. It is a rule, okay? It's a rule. Look at here, okay? Dumpy wave, pumpy wave. Dump, okay? So what's pump and up to the same level, okay? So if you bounce at the high, now you're in profits, okay? Pump, dump, another pump, another pump. So, okay, dump, pump, dump, pump. People are buying Bitcoin. So please, just when you see a dump, get inside, buy Bitcoin. Okay, buy Bitcoin. And trust me, in cryptocurrencies, do never buy at the highs. Do never buy at the greens. And I dare you to give me one, okay, one green didn't end with the red. Please buy at the red, so you can have an opportunity to follow, okay, to follow the next wave. Because if you see this, when you see this, for example, okay, this is a red, it's a red wave, okay, simply, it's a red wave. Another one starts to appear. So after you see this wave, it ends, you can buy the first candle, and you can buy at the red, no problem, just buy. Because if we have a high and we have a low, and you bounce from the low, then you will sell at the high. Okay, this is the high. Okay, this is the high, and this is the low. So you have the opportunity to sell at the highs. So this is all about my video today. Yearn finance. Okay, what we call now sushi coin. Please be careful. Okay, please be careful. This is an absolute scam. They are selling cryptocurrencies for nothing. Okay, have no value. If you want to buy at the lows, at least you can have a chance to sell at the highs. But trust me, never invest your money. Never give them your money. Just be your bank. Get your money out from the exchanges. Buy a Ledger Nano. Okay, and then accumulate Bitcoin only, and accumulate it in the Ledger Nano, and get your money out of the scammers. Binance and all the exchanges are supporting the scammers and supporting this useless coins, useless tokens, okay, to benefit from them. And you guys are the biggest losers. So if you want to make money, simply, when you see a dump, buy Bitcoin, especially if it is in the weekly chart, okay, buy Bitcoin. And if you see like for example a good price, you can sell it at the high, and trust me, you will make a lot of money. This is a promise. This is a word for you. So thank you very much for listening to this video. I hope you can share this video all the way and subscribe to my channel. I will do my best to explain to you more about technical analysis, the exact technical analysis. Also, I will share some tools that will help you 100% to make money with some altcoins. And even I'm against altcoins. Okay, scalping, it's no problem if you want to be a scalper, but this video is for investors. Okay, talking about investments, talking about people who have their monies and they want to accumulate it or getting inside the cryptocurrencies. Only Bitcoin. Scalpers and people who are working in trading, okay, it's no problem. You can accumulate your money and then get out. Thank you very much, and see you later.